All right, everybody, it's time for box number 2. I went on to Costco.com because my local Costco is completely out of these and bought another one. And see if I get luckier than that first one I opened up, a month ago? A few weeks ago? I don't even know. Let me get some scissors, open this up, pull all these out, and then we'll start opening them one by one for you. Something I noticed this time when I opened the box, I didn't even read the back the first time. This shows you all the special inserts that you possibly could get. Acolyte Moments, Outworld Oddities, Double Vision, Star Wars by the Number. I got one of those in the last one. Galactic Graffiti, and Kyberlight, and a whole bunch of other different things. I did get a numbered Kelnaka, and I did get a Paint by the Numbers, or Star Wars by the Numbers, Boba Fett. And some other decent ones, but nothing that was just like out of the park. But look at all these other things. You've got base cards. They have a lot of Costco exclusive in these, which sometimes can be worth more, but not necessarily. I got a prism refractor. Those are hard to spot. You have to get them in the right light. Anyways, before I read the entire box and bore you guys to death, let's get to opening these things. There's a cat! That's Pip. He might make a better appearance later. Okay, sorry about that. I had to adjust the angle of the recording. That just was weird. What can I say? All right, first one. Kind of put these over here. All right, first one we got. Hey, Hattie. I think I had this last time, Erling. It's a Ray Wave of, I don't know if you pronounce it fair or far. This is a debut card. Got Clothlo, good old Luke. In those other, there's these card packs. Those might actually be exclusive to Costco, but I don't know. Let's move on. There goes the cat. Get out of here. Qui-Gon, Guido. Got another Ray Wave. Captain Rex, one of my favorite characters. That's a nice Ray Wave. I don't. Why do they do this? In the same pack. That just drives me crazy. Pack number 3. If you hear the squeaking, it's the cat getting into the garage. Another Rayway. Mace. Awesome character. There's a good Boba. Again, I don't see anything numbered yet, or any special inserts. I have yet to get a graffiti card. I don't know what the odds are with these, but... Oh, cool, the Mandalorian. Another Acolyte one. Lando Calrissian. I got the last oversized one was Lando. Oops. I'm making a mess down below. Got him in the last pack. Got him in one of those packs. There's a skeleton crew. Captain Porter. And I had him in the last pack too. So far, not so good. Ripping packs, not getting much. Oh, got Padme. That was the first. Rey. Another skeleton crew. Captain Gerard. Jabba. At least there was no doubles in that last pack. Trying to be careful around the corners here. Fetch. Oh, that's my first. Okay, that's a prism right there. That one was easy to see. This could be worth money. Han Solo, and it's a Prism card. I don't know. I have to look it up on online, but that's a good card. Another Ray Wave, and it's a debut card by Dr. Gorst. I don't know if I'm familiar with that character yet. It's a twap. Nice. Well, I got one in that pack that I think might be worth money. And by the way, most of my stuff goes up on eBay, you guys. I do cross-post, but it takes me a long time to cross-post. Acolyte. Ooh, an Anakin. I have not gotten an Anakin before. It's a nice one. Nice. Again, no special cards. Come on, I'm running out of packs. Oop, I got a Bo-Katan. We'll see what that looks like. Yeah, I got that in the last pack too. Oh, now I got a Ray Wave version of Luke. You guys can see the difference. See, that's your regular Chrome card, and there's your Ray Wave. Nice. And I got another Captain Rex. There's Bo-Katan. Nice. Okay, what do we got here? Brasso. Okay, here's another one of those Star Wars by the Numbers card. Looks like, is it Luke and Darth Vader versus Luke Skywalker? So that's a special card. Some of those can be worth money, some not so much, but that's a nice card. Another Skeleton Crew. That's double. That's a double. Cool. Just realized I didn't separate anything this time. I just threw it all over here. I have him already, my G88. Now we got a Bo-Katan Ray Wave. Sometimes those are worth more money, sometimes they're not. Skull Ridge Mountain Hotel. I need to do some catching up. I'm watching through all the Star Wars stuff, but clearly some of these characters I'm like, who? I'm watching through chronologically right now, so I'm in the second season of The Bad Batch. Poe. Nice. Card. Okay, so no special cards in there. So except for there's the Prism and the color by numbers, the Star Wars by numbers. That might be something. But so let's check these out. These sometimes they give you 5 cards, or they give you less if they've given you a special card. General Hux. And these are the Costco exclusives, so I think those are there. KB. Sabine Wren, yay, keeping that one. Padme? Wait, did I just get a double? Come on. I mean, I like the character, but that's overkill. Sheesh. Maybe a Lando. Yeah, those all have the CEs in front. And Hera. Chewbacca, I don't think I've gotten him before. Bix, and there's a cat coming into the frame. That's Pip, he's a pain in the butt. Mandalorian. All right, last special CE editions. I'm slightly disappointed with this pack so far. I feel like it's just, well, who knows? When I price check that Han Solo card, maybe it's on the same level as the last one, but you know, we'll see. Captain Phasma. I really wish she would have had more scenes. She seemed to have such a short role. And you're like, oh, cool character. Oh, she's dead. R2-D2. And Padme. Again, all right. Don't jump up here, sir. Pip. Pip. Hey, you. Don't. I'm sorry. In this house, the cats are always interrupting. So this is the die cut. Let's see what this is. You only get one. And some of these are worth money. My Lando from last time is up for sale, but it's not a big dollar item, maybe $5. It's Rey. Chrome oversized heads. It's a die cut exclusive. I can't read today, so I'm going to stop. But that is what's in this one. Ta-da! So, again, no home runs. Will I make my... I think, what did I pay? $44 for this? Don't think I'm going to make my money back. But part of it is the fun, and I do keep some of this. Not all of it, because that defeats the purpose of reselling. Cat! I should put him up for sale. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me. Hopefully, if I get another pack, it'll be better. We'll see. All right, bye!